What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below, because I already know you're going to like this. Got one for you guys. Got a delivery video. It is Sunday, 5 p.m. I'm going to do a dinner rush. You guys come out with me as I go knock these jobs out. If you are watching this video out doing deliveries, you can do these deliveries with me. Let's go and have a good Sunday. It should be a good day. Yeah, let's go ahead and rock out, y'all. But first, I gotta put on the shades, which you already put them on, and turn on the tunes. Let's go. First order of the day, I got a double. $10, 6 miles. Let's go knock it out. Any of you guys out there watch sports? Like, I come from a sports background. I played a little in college, played in high school, played football and basketball. So I follow the NFL, the NBA. You know, any of y'all follow sports in here? What y'all think about the Shedeur Sanders situation? Those who don't know, it's a football player. Deion Sanders, a football player, his son, had a little issue with the NFL not conforming to their rules and being a little too flashy without proving anything. Like, what do you guys think? Like, I mean, in my opinion, I feel like it doesn't matter. As long as you can go out there and ball out, who cares if you got jewelry and you got a nice house? Like, all that it's a good old boys club, to be quite honest. The NFL is a good old boys club. I feel like it's ridiculous. The kid can play, let him play. Letting him drop down like that, it's embarrassing. Not only for him, but his family. You know, his dad was a great player. And, I mean, now he just got to prove himself, which I think bodes better for him. Because feeling like, you know, I feel like he probably felt like everything was handed down to him. He ain't got to work as hard, but the kid is humble. Now, really humbled them. Really humbled them. Oh, they think they slick. They just try to send me a $9 10-mile job. Hell no. Now that's more like it. $12, 3 miles. Yeah, those are the orders that you need to take. Let's go ahead and knock it out. Now, I hate picking up Wingstop orders, but this is a $12 order, so let's just go ahead and pick it up. Next up, got a $10 5-mile job at this Thai spot. I love this place. Let's go ahead and knock it out. Next up, 12 for 5. Let's keep this thing going. It's been busy. Let's keep it that way. Let's go. If you're getting value from this channel, buy me a beer. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, another one? $10, 14 miles. No, don't do those orders. Upside down orders, leave those ones alone. You can't make any money off them. I said this before. You can't make any money off an upside down order. Do not take those on any app. I don't care. Don't take those upside down orders. I'm going to start a little segment called Market Check-In. It's just to check in how everybody's doing in their market, if their market is booming, if it's slow, and you can just leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how's it going in your market. So this is the Market Check-In. How's it going on in your market? I'm here in Texas, and right now, it's okay. It's Sunday, like I said, around 5:45. It's pretty busy right now. I'm about to take my next order, so let's go ahead and rock out. It's been pretty busy, like I said, but no big orders yet. I haven't received any big orders, so right now it seems like it's going to be a long evening. Hopefully I pick up some big orders soon so I can shorten this day. I don't want to be out here all night, you know, but yeah, haven't gotten any big orders yet, so we out here chugging along, trying to make this whiz up. Let's go. Finally, we just got one. We got a $21 9-mile order. Let's go ahead, knock it out. Let's hope that this is the turnaround that we need to get things moving tonight. Let's go. Starting to get a little tired. Went to the gym this morning, then came home and went walking. So now I'm feeling pretty tired and it's getting dark. Came out the shades and all of that. But we out here, gonna do a few more deliveries and see how the rest of the night ends out. It's been a pretty good day in the sense of the weather and it being busy, but the jobs itself hasn't been paying as much today. It's dark in here. I don't have a good lighting in my car. Gotta go ahead and hopefully change all that, get all the right equipment so I can shoot better videos. But yeah, I'm starting to get tired. I'm starting to get a little tired, but we out here. Let's see how the rest of the night ends out. Yeah. Next up, we got a $13 6-mile job. Let's go ahead, knock it out. But first things first, I got a question. Don't you guys hate it when you're trying to complete an order and Uber just keeps popping up as you're trying to complete the last order you're trying to do? That is my biggest pet peeve on these apps, but I just wanted to say that. Let's go ahead and finish the rest of this night. Okay, peoples, I got another one. 11 for 4 miles. This is the last order of the night. Pretty exhausted, but I feel good. So let's go ahead and knock this order out so I can give you those numbers. All right, y'all, I just got done with my last order. Long day. But I finished today at $105.58. Not bad for a Sunday. I started at 5 and ended at 9 p.m. So it's not bad for the day. So I finished at 105, but I spent $12 on gas. You have to remember to deduct whatever you spend that day compared to what you made. That is the profit that you made for the day. So in total, I made $93.53. Not bad. But that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, it's your boy AD signing out. Peace out.